What?
Dude, it's been there 2 weeks and you haven't made an anniversary video!
Oh, jeez. Well, it's gotta happen sometimes. Oh, God, I'm never gonna finish this song. Woke up on a summer when an idol lit my chest. Where's your heart? I don't care if you fit. And this is exactly why I don't do this type of crap. I suck. I gotta have it. Daddy's spending mad cash even when I've been a bad kid. With the man got your big craze all the days, more focused on me cause it's Jesus Christ a fast. I might not even go through with this. I think I might need to make a casting call. I am over this. Why am I still doing this? Stop it. Yeah, I'm making hassle with my new Minecraft castle. Even though it's a mansion, I'm still not gonna upload the freaking instrumental. It's 6:45 in the morning. Why am I doing this again?
Oh! Get your phone, Zoe! This is our show, not yours!
Just gonna put this on mute.
Was that you, Butler? Get your phone away during an interview!
Pretty strong hybrids. Now, sorry I'm late, Miss Dean. Oh my god! You have the most rare hybrid! What? Oh my god, you're- Wait, hold on, I didn't even- You're so black! Just don't neglect any of the kids we literally just got 3 hours ago. And you can fix that attitude. Ugh! Hack out that hairball while you're at it!
Excuse me, do you know who I am? Oh yeah!
No.
Don't be that way with me. I'm obviously a mega superstar.
The only star I know is 510 kilometers away from me burning. Look, he's clearly on the floor dead. Can you explain what's the part that I missed here? I have neither the time or the crayons to explain to you. I don't get this whole girl culture despite being a girl myself. But why idolize you when 99% of your beauty can be removed with a Kleenex? Hey Sarah, you're ugly. Excuse me sir, she's not a mirror. Whatever, you're such an idiot. Looks like we have something in common. God dang! If the 8th princess looked exactly like her, then she must have been ugly! Sue? How can the emperor favor all that? She looks like the dog Snapchat filter had a baby! What is that? Single boys, on a scale of 1 to America, how free are you to date me tonight? North Korea.
I want these shoes now! Okay, then I'll get you- No! I want the $10,000 limited edition high heels! You hate me, don't you?
I will drag you to the thrift store and pick out the most dustiest dishwasher. I dare you to eat $1. I dare you to make one. We have no time for normies.
You're right. I have a photo shoot to catch.
Don't be mad at me because after that change you still look like a before picture.
But that isn't to say I'd leave some other thing that could possibly murder this person about.
You're cooking?
Stay sack right now.
Never! Keep going!
Okay, I can't force you to be right. Good luck finding someone as good as predictions than me. Since your new pet dog Lilo is much more smart, you'd be fine with her false accusations. As for now, if you come back to me begging, I will greet you with a slap even though poop stains. Ben. Oh, don't be like that. I want to make this a relationship. I'm committed to you. Since this is a line competition, just want you to know you're winning. Know who you are. Your dress is swelling you hot.
Hey, why you laughing? Ain't got no room to talk over here looking like some Benny. Get out!
Sue, I'm sorry. I didn't know that Shinzu had looked for me right. Or what? You would have came to Falta sooner? No, because in your mind, this African-American is way less more important than a stand-in for the 8th princess. That's enough! And you're not grateful at all, and you insulted Lilo. I'm so disappointed. You killed your baby mama for a girl who's just gonna play you like a chew toy later. Don't dawn the fact that she looks like all my life I had to fight. I think the world is more disappointed in you than you could ever be in me right now.
Just where I face mask.
Oh, to cover your face, I get it. Very, very gracious of you. No one needs to see that.
Want to.
Now let's do more stuff.
Have a scenario exercise.
Yeah. Scenario exercise sounds good for improvisation.
Yeah, basically. Scenario exercise. Like if I say you're in a grocery store and you're trying to buy something that isn't there, but they swear they don't have it, but they actually do, and you're trying to push them to give it to you.
I'm just a poor cashier who doesn't get paid enough to deal with Valley Girl's crap.
But yet you still turn up like Larry Needlemeyer, like Gumball, that has every job in the universe.
Yeah, and I just had to go to this one.
Oh my
I
gosh,
can
it's
imagine.
like 2 o'clock time for my 2 o'clock frappuccino at Starbucks.
Ew, gross, you stay going there? Ugh, you worship the freaking siren with 2 tails. Are you kidding me, honey? I'm sorry, but you might as well go straight to some type of donuts place and just go get your coffee instead. That way, you can actually be good about how fat you are.
Oh my gosh, don't act like I haven't seen you at McDonald's. Oh my gosh, grossing out that
You
burger.
never
I know
catch
you're
me.
enjoying it.
That is McDonald's. I'll have you know that. Thank you very much. You better get your butt in that Starbucks since you're so good for that burnt coffee.
Yeah, I'll go after you, you fat greasy pig.
Excuse me? Who are you calling fat and greasy?
Excuse me,
What is
ladies.
it?
Please stop fighting in the store.
Oh my gosh, at least
You
I
guys-
don't about Regina George every 5 seconds.
What did you just say? Do you really want to catch me
Regina
on?
George
Oh
knockoff.
no.
I don't even wear pink.
On Wednesdays we wear
When
pink.
do I get a pick?
Of course you would know that. Busted. Knew you were a fan.
Oh yes.
Excuse me though.
Oh my gosh. So I would like a frappuccino with extra whip, but no sugar, low fat milk, and you better, and I mean you better, not put a lot of sugar into it, otherwise I will literally throw that drink onto your tacky shirt with your ugly haircut.
Ugh, I'd say hashtag diabetes, but you already know that. Yeah, I would just like a no sweet iced tea. Thank you very much. See, I'm not difficult.
Well, at least I'm not basic.
What did you just say?
You are a little basic. Oh my gosh. Like, seriously, no one. Who do you know one's dating you?
I'm basic, but you're the one who just got
Excuse
served your
me,
crap
ladies.
in a plastic cup while I got mine served in a iced tea glass that's made out of what? Glass. Let me hear that again. Glass. You got
I got your
plastic.
drink.
You're not even saving the sea turtles with that straw in there.
I got your drink.
Oh, yes, but.
Okay.
Oh my.
What?
gosh.
This is left ice, not right ice. That's 2 totally different things. How could you do this to me? I thought we were friends.
Oh my gosh.
I
told
don't
you to put a lot of whip.
even-
What do you give? You give me medium-sized whip. Like, oh my gosh, what is wrong with you?
Well, you're fat, honey. That's why she did you a
I
favor.
don't get paid enough. I don't get paid enough.
Shut up, tacky
For
employee. Like, oh
customers
my
like
gosh,
you.
though. Like, this shouldn't even be our main problem. This Starbucks. Like, look at her. Just look at her.
I'm sorry, but even if you look at her, I can't stop looking at your Nickel Scores purse. At least get the on-brand, honey.
Like, oh my gosh, though. Have you seen her face? It looks like a pepperoni, like, just slapped it on.
Stop talking about yourself.
Sorry, honey, I'm looking in a mirror.
Excuse me? You're looking in the mirror.
Well, honey, I guess I know what your
Oh,
idol
no.
is. Now bow you for your goddess.
Goddess, honey, I am the infinity. Thank you very much. Goddess don't match up to this.
I can't believe this crap.
Alright,
that I'm
fine.
hearing.
Servant girl or whatever. Why don't you come get bagels so that way she knows exactly how she looks. Basic.
Aw, I'm so happy when you're talking about yourself like that.
Ugh, really? Is that all you have to say?
Seriously, I need to quit.
Well, I could, but oh my gosh, like, I don't even want to spare the effort.
You stay bashing people for no reason. You always try to make yourself look so high up when really, no, you're not.
Well, I wonder where I got that from.
Please stop fighting in the store before I need to kick you guys out.
So who did you get it from? I'm curious to know.
Oh, let me just say they're a little pig who just whines all the time. Like, she's like, oh my gosh, she's so dramatic and she never cares. Like, oh my gosh, she's like, ugh, a horrible person to be around. No wonder she doesn't have a boyfriend.
Oh, so you're talking about your life. Dang, I didn't want to hear that. I just wanted to know who you were talking about.
Oh, you did not just say that.
Oh, yes, I went there, honey, and I think I just did.
Oh my gosh, just give me my freaking drink and you better get it right this time.
You know what? Don't get her drink. Spit it in if you have to. She's so mean.
Honey, I will
I
tear out
got-
your fake extension.
Honey, I'm not even wearing extensions. That's how you know that you can't see.
I got drinks for you guys, and if you don't want me to put them in your face, you better be quiet.
Where's my bagel?
Oh my gosh, did you see what she gave you? She gave you a plastic straw.
Did you give me a plastic straw? Are you freaking kidding me? What about the sea turtles? I thought you knew better about this. What happened to those lids that actually have the word you needed to drink like a sippy cup? What
I'm
is this?
sorry.
Did you seriously just give me a straw for iced tea with left
Sorry,
ice?
miss.
Again? Are you kidding me?
Like, oh my
I'm
gosh, you don't
sorry.
even care about the environment? And oh my gosh, you spelled my name wrong on the cup.
What is that?
Yeah, sorry, I just don't get paid enough to deal with people's bull crap, so I decided to do that just to piss you guys off.
We don't want to hear your life story. We just want our drinks.
Oh my gosh, look at this loser. She's trying to like own up to us. Like, oh my gosh, she's trying to be like the bigger dog. Oh
Exactly.
my gosh.
If you want to be the top dogs, I can just give you my jacket. You can have
At
my
least
jacket.
I don't sound spoiled.
Oh
Honey,
gosh,
my
are you
butt
kidding?
is so rotten.
We're just trying to help you. Like, oh my gosh.
I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
like we're just telling you that you look terrible to go back and fix you. Like, I want to get my
No, you
publicist, but I'm really 10 seconds away from getting your freaking manager.
I'm sorry, but I just don't have enough sanity to deal with people's bull crap.
Call the president.
Oh my gosh, we don't have time to deal with this girl. Like, come on, let's go. Oh, there's better Starbuckses.
I
I told you we
quit.
should have went to that stupid donut place. We should have went to Dunkin' Donuts, and you said no.
Shut up about you and your
I'm
Dunkin'.
gonna quit.
What did you just say? Dunkin' is bomb.
I'm so gonna quit.
Pause! What is that?